Hey everyone! So I've been working like crazy for a while now, and I'm almost done with the complete visual scripting course. This course is focused on making complete games without writing a single line of code. I'm nearing the final stages and I'm really happy with the current result. I've managed to implement tons of features, both simple and complex, and so far I still haven't yet reached the limits of visual scripting at all. It really is an insanely powerful tool and definitely capable of making games solely with visual scripting. And also another side benefit is as you go along and learn to use visual scripting, you also start to understand programming concepts. So visual scripting is also a great stepping stone for starting to learn programming, since you will be exposing yourself to logic and programming concepts while working on it. I specifically designed this course to include making several games from scratch, so you can learn to apply visual scripting to any genre you can think of. So the first game is a platformer. It starts off simple, just handling player movement, jumping, collisions, and so on, all without writing a single line of code. Then over time, more elements are added and the game really starts to take shape. So by the end, there's moving platforms, multiple levels, hazards, coins, lava, and so on. The second game is an action RPG. This one is a pre-complete game with tons of features. So it's got multiple weapons, multiple enemies and hazards, there's coins and pickups, there's dungeons with portals, cannons, and lava. So the final game is really feature-rich. And once again, all of this built without writing a single line of code. So this one is more complex thanks to building on top of the knowledge gained while making the platformer game. Both games are included in the course from start to finish, and they are set up to provide a nice smooth learning curve. So first you'll learn the absolute basics in the platformer, and then continue learning and apply that base knowledge to the RPG game. So this is a great course, both for absolute beginners who want to start completely from scratch, and also great for more advanced users who want to see more advanced use cases for visual scripting, or just want to see how to design and implement some interesting mechanics. Even if your goal is writing code instead of visual scripting, this course is still very useful. I chose to go with programmer naming for the visual scripting nodes, so if you want to write some code, you can easily translate all of these nodes and convert these games into normal C#. Now, one thing, if you've heard me mention the visual scripting course before, you might have noticed that I mentioned 3 games, which were the platformer, the action RPG, and also a first-person shooter. Now, at launch, the course will have the platformer and the RPG game, and then the FPS project will be added later on as a free update to the course. So initially, I wanted to launch the course with all of them, but my primary focus is always on quality, and in order to hit a level of quality for the course that I was happy with, these 2 games took quite a bit longer than expected. So instead of making all 3 games slightly worse, I opted to first focus on making these 2 as high quality as possible, and now that I'm really happy with how these 2 came out, I can get to work on making the 3rd one with enough time to make it really high quality. So like I said, it will be added as a completely free update, and it should be done sometime next month. Okay, so if you're interested in the course, go to the link in the description and sign up, or hit the bell icon and I'll let you know when it's available. I'm in the final stages, so it should all be done within next week. Alright, so thanks for watching, I really hope you'll enjoy the course, and I'll see you next time.